These are the first third floor only elevators at UPMC Mercy Community Care in Uptown, South Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These have PTL comments. The light just flipped when I press it. I think these have type. Yeah, these are bigger hospital side. I think they have type H on these. So yeah, they do. The PL, that's like a PTL. Green for down. I don't know if it's gonna go down. Yeah, these are hydro. Here, PL. Oh, it's down here. Three. I don't know why PL didn't work on that. It's here, that's backwards. Here at 3. Down 2. Interesting elevators for sure. It's the same basic cab with the office style drop ceiling with the wood railings and the open metal cab. Very interesting elevators. Here back at 2. Yeah, that's like EPCO or PTL. Yeah, it's PTL. I think that was originally a key switch and they replaced with a button. That closes off faster. It closes, and that's going to be good.